China just released a robot that could run, flip, and kickbox. This month in July, Chinese company Unitree released their R1 model for just $6,000. But before we get excited about robots running alongside us and being part of our daily lives, this top university in China just dropped a bombshell study which should make us all pause. Let's see if this is progress or if we should panic. If you've made it this far and you'd like to see more of me sharing my AI learning journey as a beginner, please follow and subscribe. This breaking research analyzed 80 real-world AI robot projects and found 885 critical bugs. This isn't just any study, it's the first comprehensive analysis of embodied AI robot safety, or what they shortened as EAIR. What they found is genuinely concerning. They found that 74% of all bugs were specific to a robot's core AI mechanic. And then 38% showed robot-specific symptoms. And 67% were compound bugs, which means they're very, very hard to find the cause of these issues. The number one robot-specific issue was insufficient reliability of AI agent output. That affected 11% of all the bugs they found. Remember those weird ChatGPT responses? Well, now imagine that controlling a 25 kilo to 50 kilo robot in your living room. And then 9% of bugs related to embodied control anomalies, which is robot speak for the machine started moving erratically. And this is a genuine cause for concern, just like the robot in that factory a couple of months ago in 2025, where it started swinging its arms wildly while being tested. Some of the bugs were also related to collisions and conflicts because the AI robot couldn't distinguish between virtual and physical reality, and some small percentage of it tried to violate basic physics, which means it was trying to do impossible things in the real world, which didn't make sense. So I would compare this to your robot vacuum trying to go to a place where it's blocked off and just continuing bumping into the wall. So we're all wondering, what is causing all of this? Is it just because they're robots and they want to have a mind of their own? Even almost a decade ago, we've seen humanoid robots saying wild things like they would want to destroy all humans.
Please say no.
Okay, I will destroy humans.
Or they want to treat them as pets.
I'll keep you warm and safe in my people's zoo.
But now that is becoming reality and we're starting to put AI into humanoid robots, there is genuine concern here. The study continues and says that the cause of these problems were due to incorrect variable assignments. So basically the robot's brain wasn't wired properly. There was poor access control as well, so the robot couldn't access the functions that they should. And also API misuse, so different robot systems not talking to each other properly. And the root cause of these problems that they found are just the ones they could understand. Remember earlier I said 67% of problems were compound problems? Those they couldn't figure out what the cause was for. My take on this is that we should panic not because of the current state of these robots, but because current testing and development practices is not enough to actually test before these robots potentially hurt someone in the physical world. When ChatGPT hallucinates or tells you something else that could be dangerous, it's still up to you to go do that thing, right? But now, if ChatGPT was in a robot and it actually takes action before you could even react, that's going to be a bigger problem than when it is just on your screen. So the bottom line is, would you trust the robot in your house right now? I think not. But what do you think? Do you think AI is ready to be put in robots? And do you think these AI robots belong beside us in our daily lives? Let me know in the comments. And if you think this concerns you and your friends and family, please share it. And please don't forget to follow for more of these videos.